Today I am making chocolate crinkle cookies. Super easy. You want to put your eggs in your bowl and then your oil, your vegetable oil. I keep my vegetable oil in an old pancake syrup bottle because it fits in my baking pantry easy, my baking cabinet easy, I should say. Then you're going to stir your eggs and your oil together, breaking up your eggs. Add in your cake mix. We're going to stir to get it all mixed well. Then we're going to take some powdered sugar, put it in a bowl. We're going to take our cookies, lightly roll them in the powdered sugar, and set them on our cookie sheet. We're going to bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Here we have our yummy crinkle cookies fresh out of the oven. Let them cool 5 to 10 minutes on the cookie sheet. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook on pages 278, 279, and 280. Lots of variations for our 3 ingredient cake mix cookies. You can get the recipe in the description below at livingonadime.com.